Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you have for managing your site, such as the home option right here. You can see all of your orders, you can see your products, customers, and so on. So guys, let's say that you want to add a review section to your website where everybody will be able to leave reviews and see reviews about your products. Well guys, this is how to do it. The first thing we want to do guys, go ahead and click the search option right here at the top screen where we want to go ahead and search for apps. So guys, go ahead and search for apps and then click on this option right here that says view your installed apps and plugins, and this will take us to where we can go ahead and open up the Shopify store by clicking the Shopify app store right here in the upper right corner. After this guys, this will open up this new tab where we can see how we can manage our apps that we have, and you can go ahead and search right here for product reviews. Go ahead guys and click for product reviews, and this will now give you all the apps that you can use for this kind of option. As you can see, there are multiple apps. You can find the one that you like the most. Let's say we want to use this one. All we have to do guys, just find the app we want to use and click on install, and after installing guys, this will add it to your website where you will be able to add it. And after adding it to your website, as you can see guys, just go ahead and click on install app, and after installing the application guys, we'll be able to add it to your website and use it and add reviews so other people will be able to see them. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.